Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are talking about how to use your WhatsApp in your PC. Okay, click on these three dots and then click on linked devices. Okay, from here, click on link a device. You have to unlock your mobile. Okay, uh, fingerprint is not working. I'm going to unlock my mobile by pin. Okay. From here, you can scan the QR code. Now, let's go to the PC and search WhatsApp web in any browser. After that, click on first site, which is WhatsApp web. Okay, scan this QR code with your mobile phone. This will take few time. So, your WhatsApp is logged in your PC. From here, you can send text messages or any videos or pictures to your any friends. Okay. If you want to log out from your PC, click on these three dots and click log out. Again, log out. This is the easiest way I know how to use WhatsApp in your PC. If you know any other better way, please write down in comment section below. I will be back with more informative videos.